How to reset the password of your Laurentian Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset the password of your Laurentian Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the Laurentian Bank app and simply tap on the option Forgot Password. After that, you'll have to enter your username. So once you've entered the username, tap on the option Continue. Then you can choose one of these two different options as to how you can reset your password. So you can either ask them to send you a link via your email address or simply text you a code. Now, if you opt for the first option, which is email, you will simply receive an email somewhat like this, where if you tap on the option reset password, you will be taken to this page. But if you tap on the option text me a code, you'll receive a 6-digit code, after which you enter the code, you will be taken to this page once again. So no matter which option you choose, the outcome is the same. So once you're in this page, create a new password for your account, confirm it by typing it in the box below, tap on the option continue, and you'll have successfully reset the password of your Laurentian Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.